If you're 80, got any wisdom for us? The bird in the mirror was you all along. I'm rich. Claws off me treasure, scalawag. Why can't you guys just share? Tattoo shops near me. Okay, now bring it back. My human loves playing fetch. This machine will put your mind inside the human. Then their food is ours. Are you in there, blue boy? Yes, it worked. Wait, what are you doing? Blue boy. I'm back. See, I can survive in the wild. Wait, how did you gain weight? This is where the nice older woman puts out treats for us. Sweet bird, you wouldn't survive one day out in the wild, would you? Hey, yes I could. Excuse me, sir? Where can I find a food bowl out here? Sorry human, but I must feed. Time out. Hey Moonman, give me your con. No, it's mine. You ate yours. I hate you. The fearsome dragon guards his treasure. Henlo, watch this. Look, it's snowing. That's not snow. Henlo. This is my swing. Wee. Hey, I may look fat, but it's really all feathers. Now excuse me. Meryl the talking teal singing. He is my boyfriend now. Hey, chicken. Yos. I built you a jungle gym to play on. That's for me? Thank you, I love it. No. What? There's a bug in here. Hey bird, come down here. No thanks. I have seeds. Henlo. Nothing is better than enjoying my favorite snack. Over the edge of the table. Why am I like this? Look what I got you. Do you know how to use it? Duh. Hat. My human is always melting. Get that thing out of my face. Chop. Human. I wish to play with the small angry cockatoo. Look at me. These are mine now. One ticket for the Godfather please. Here you go. Would you like to buy some popcorn? Popcorn? Nice shirt. Thanks. What are those tiny pockets for anyways? Bird storage. Henlo. Remember, it's very important to tip your server well. That's quite generous, sir. Are you sure? Of course. Total $50. Tip $1,000. I forgot the decimal. Enjoy your dessert, sir. Waiter. There weren't any seeds in these. Is the gentleman done with his fruity pellets? Yes, I am. Was something wrong with these ones, sir? They are not red. I'd like to speak to the chef. Sir, I found poop in my food. My favorite. Excellent work. I can't fly. I've had one too many of these berries.